Excuse me. Sorry, coming through. I just need to get, sorry. I need to just get around, okay. Oh, my dick! Ow, oh, owie! Ow, my dick! Did you hurt my dick? Was it you? It got hurt real bad just a minute ago over there on the dance floor. Ooh, now it hurts real bad. Did you hurt my dick?
Step off, prick!
No, I think someone stepped on it. Was it you? My dick got hurt real bad. You seem like the kind of guy that would hurt someone's dick.
Get up off my lady, bro! Or I'll give you something to cry about.
I already have that. It's my dick and it hurts. That's why I'm crying already. My hurt dick. Was it you? Did you hurt my dick? I promise I won't be mad if it was you, but you have to tell me.
What about your dick? Hey, this ain't that kind of club, bro. Get bent.
It's already bent. Oh, punch me anywhere but my dick. I don't think it can sustain another blow.
Isn't it quiet all of a sudden?
Someone in this club hurt my dick and I'm having a hard time identifying them. Can you use your PA system to address the whole crowd at once and ask them who it was? Hey! Somebody hurt my dick! Somebody hurt my dick! Somebody! Did you hurt my dick? Did you hurt my dick? Did you hurt my dick? Ow, my dick! Ow, did you hurt my dick? Ow, was it you? I promise not to judge you too harshly. Tell me!
Ow! Did you hurt my tits? Did you hurt my tits?
Ow! My dick! Ow! My dick!
Hey, did you hurt my tits? It hurts real bad. If it was you, I promise I won't be mad.
I just need you to tell me.
Ow,
Stop! Ow! My dick!
tit.
Ow! Somebody hurt my dick!